AI is the biggest technical thing ever in my lifetime. I mean, it is so profound, and therefore its influence is hard to overstate. And the economic value, this is basically intelligence, where you can get medical advice, or you can get a tutor, or you can get somebody to help you design drugs. So
Bill Gates has said that AI is the biggest productivity advance in our lifetime. And what's that telling us as business leaders? Saying that you can now produce more in a week than it will have taken you to produce in years. So now the gap between business ideation and also business implementation have been collapsed. The speed limits have been taken away. So as long as you have the idea, as long as you can use these tools, AI tools, you are going to be relevant today. And so that's why I asked you this question: where do you belong to as a business leader? Where do you belong to? This is where the market is now. It's either you are the man riding the bicycle, you're not using AI, or you are the one inside the vehicle. You have mastered how to use this vehicle, you have mastered how to use this tool, and you are going ahead with high speed, going to the market, executing. So in the next 5 years to come, are you still going to be the man in the bicycle, or are you going to be the one in the vehicle there? The choice is yours. So today I'll be giving you a sneak peek into what we do at God Mode AI Solution. We coach business leaders on how to use AI tools for their business, practical AI tools, practical AI implementation. And this is just one of our training program. So I'm telling you how you can think with AI, thinking with AI. So what I'm going to be showing you right now, I won't be going through all this. In later videos, I'll be doing that. But majorly, what I want to be showing is why AI gives bad answers. Do you want to know why? You want to always use this tool and enjoy using it. You want to always enjoy using this tool. I'm going to show you why it gives bad answers. Because when you know the negative of a thing, you're going to appreciate the positive part of it. So communicate your thinking clearly. Good, great, good, bad, good, great prompts, and use AI on real problem. This will be on later videos, which I'll be doing subsequently. So my name is Gideon. For those who are meeting me for the first time, this is my co-founder. I'm the co-founder of God Mode AI Solution. I'm a passionate advocate for AI literacy, very passionate, and also because I strongly believe that national and global transformation will only be initiated and also be accelerated by business leaders, entrepreneurs who know how to harness this tool, who know how to use AI tool in combination with their intelligence. Human plus AI is what is going to bring explosive change in our world today, in every domain, in every domain. And this is my passion, this is my vision. And because I've worked with business leaders in the past as their social media strategist, and I've helped them achieve their goals, make income, impact, and also influence in their various spheres of life. I'm also a public speaker, professional speaker. We do workshops for teachers. We do workshops for business leaders. So, and a certified AI instructor, prompt engineer, and these are the people I've studied under. Yeah, these are the people I've worked with in the past, and I'm still working with some of them today. So now let's get into the main why most people get bad AI results. Why is it that when you use AI, you are like this woman, you are kind of frustrated? Oh, why am I not getting this? Why I've typed in my instruction and why is it giving me? And sometimes it's just like you're trying to get money from let's say an ATM machine, and you type in a PIN code and yet it's not giving you money, yet it's not giving you what you want, and kind of frustrated. I want to show you now why is it that you don't get best results from AI tools. Number one, you are asking vague one-line questions like, help me write a proposal for my business, for a business plan. That's a one-line question. Questions like, help me, write me a 10-page report for my company. Sometimes you don't even add the name, and it's not the best. You're treating AI like a search engine. I won't go into much details in this. You're always expecting, this is one of the things that many, even I fell into when I started using AI tools, until I started studying this critically. You're expecting perfect first answers, whereas your instructions, initial instructions, were not even perfect, and you're expecting perfect answers. This is one of the reasons why many people are frustrated, because of the hype of the potentials this AI tool can wield. Yet you don't do the right thing, and I'll show you how to do that. And also, this is also very, very important, blindly trusting responses from AI tools. Please, this is something that you must be you must be an editor. You must be the editor in chief of whatever AI is giving to you. Don't just copy and paste. This is what we have been saying about ethical use of AI. Don't just copy and paste. Take your time to. So AI is not the problem. AI is not actually AI. These tools have been trained on large amount of data. They have been fed with enough. So it's like an intern who has it's like an intern who has PhD in all subjects of the world, all domain. So it doesn't have the problem. What's the problem? What actually is the problem? Do you want to know? Let me show you. Clarity. 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 Clarity is the oxygen of performance. Please write that down somewhere. You might need the quote somewhere. And make sure you quote me. Clarity is the oxygen of performance. Make sure that you're clear. Take your time to stop and think. Don't just go to AI and okay, let me just share this story before we go into our next. A student wanted to write a manifesto for the post she's vying for in the school, and knowing that I'm into AI training, she came to meet me, and immediately she wanted to go into ChatGPT and write and type out her thoughts. I said, no, don't do that. This is what you do first. I gave her a book. Write down all your thoughts. Put it down. Write it down. Take your time. And I also gave her some ideas on things to say. Make it motivational. Make it inspirational. Add some quotes. I told her, put down your points down. Put down your points. And later, after that, then she came to ChatGPT. Then she used the voice. They dictated her. She said everything. And AI gave her the first draft. We also refined it. And boom. We didn't need to go over to start editing. The response was on point. Why? Because she did what I'll be showing you right now. So prompting is communication. Prompting is, I believe if you can be able to communicate your thoughts clearly to your fellow human being, you can also replicate that to AI. The better you are in communicating with a human being, the better you will be in communicating with AI too. So I would advise that you need to sharpen your communication skills. Prompting is explaining your thinking to AI so that it can help you think better. Yeah, so think before you type. Think before you type. Take your time to think before you put your first thought in that chat box, whether it's ChatGPT, Grok, whether it's Google, Gemini. Take your time to think first. Don't just I want to write something. Don't take your time to think. Why? Don't just dump confusion into AI. Clarify your thoughts. As I told you about the student, take time to. I always have my notepad with me. A notepad with me, my diary with me. I always, before I write very important, maybe I need a prompt for an important project, I take my time to put down my thoughts. Also, because AI is like a microphone. If your voice is crackled, it's going to amplify your crackled voice. If your voice is wonderful, to amplify the wonderful voice. So if your thinking is muddy, it's going to amplify it. But if your thinking is clear, voila, you're going to get clear response. Then we'll be stopping here so far. This is already 10 minutes into this. So in our next video, I'll be showing you how to the difference between a bad prompt, a good prompt, and a great prompt. And if you understand this, not even using, just understanding this, anywhere, any AI tool will be the best tool for you. Any AI tool. It's not whether it's ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Any AI tool you use will be the best for you. If you can understand this, that's what we'll be doing in the next video. So the assignment I'll be giving to you is this. You can go to ChatGPT and ask, give me 10, okay, let me reduce to 5. Give me 10 reasons why AI gives bad response. Just go there to refresh your mind. And if you can do that, you start understanding this, and my goal is that you know how to use this to harness it and get value from it. So till we see again in our next video.